Hello, my dear children. Welcome all. We are together again for another EVS class. How are you? Fine. Good. Did you learn what I taught in the last class? Did you go through the portions? Let's revise about sense organs. Let me ask some questions. If you say the answer, Mom will give you some sweets. Are you ready? Okay. How many sense organs we have? Could you tell me, anyone? Yes, very good. We have 5 sense organs. Catch it. Okay. Which are they? They are eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. Did you understand? Then what do we do with our eyes? We can see with our eyes. Then what do we do with our nose? We can smell with our nose. We can breathe with our nose. Then we can hear with our ears. We can taste with our tongue. We can feel with our skin. Is it clear? Children, which subject are you studying now? We are studying EVS. Do you know? EVS means Environmental Studies. Have you ever observed our surroundings? We can see many kinds of or variety of things around us. We can see living things and non-living things. Today we will learn about living things and non-living things. Please take your EVS textbook. Open to page number 58. Listen. Living things. Things that grow are called living things. Say with me. Things that grow are called living things. We human beings, animals, plants, fish, birds, insects, all are living things. Children, do you know? Living things need food, air and water. Remember, living things need air, food and water. Living things can grow, eat and drink. Living things can breathe and reproduce. They have young ones. They have young ones. For example, people, boys and girls. Listen, look at the pictures. Tree, cow, cat, then honeybee. Look at this dog. It is also a living thing because it has life. This is a cow. It is also a living thing. Then this is a plant. When this planted it and grew up gradually, it changed size. Children, turn to the next page. Page number 60. Non-living things. Things that do not grow are called non-living things. Remember, things that do not grow are called non-living things. Non-living things do not need food, air and water. Non-living things do not need food, air and water. Non-living things do not grow and change. They do not reproduce. For example, listen, chair, umbrella, scooter, house, toys. Listen, book, ball, aeroplane, car, motorbike, cycle, they do not grow. They do not change size. Okay, children? Children, what have you been studying about living things and non-living things? Can you say some example of living things and non-living things? Ma'am will show you. Living things. Tree. Then say cat. Then boy. Next girl. Then can you say butterfly? Okay. Non-living things. Can you say some example of non-living things? Yes. Ball. Then say bat. Next, house. All of you listen. House. Then car. Then jeep. Okay, children, did you understand? Let's do our textbook activities. All of you look at the page number 59. 59. Listen. Match what living things can do with the pictures. See these pictures. Listen. Read this word. Breathe. Breathe. We can breathe with our nose. Which picture shows that? Yes, living things can breathe. Next, eat and drink. Eat and drink. Which picture shows that? Yes. Match by drawing line. Next, grow. Grow. Yes. Living things can grow. Reproduce. Which picture shows that? Mother and her child. Listen, living things produce their own babies. Turn to the next page, page number 61. Classify the words given in the boxes into three: people, animals and things. There are 6 words given in the boxes. You have to find out people, animals and non-living things from these boxes and write it here. Children, please look at these boxes. People. Select people from these boxes. Boy and girl. You have to write boy, girl. Next, animals. Can you select the animals? Rat and lion. Rat, lion. Write it here. Next, non-living things. Non-living things. Non-living things do not grow. Which are they? Pencil, book. Write it here. Book, pencil. Look at these pictures. Write L for living things and N for non-living things. Children, living things can grow. They need food and water. Can you select the living things from these pictures? Yes. Girl, plant, honeybee, tree, dog. Which are the non-living things? Non-living things do not grow. Yes, house, kite, bicycle, ball. Children, you have to select and write L for living things and N for non-living things. You have to write L for living things in these circles and N for non-living things. Children, now all of you please take your English speaking skill to GK part, page number 38. 38. There are some oral question answers. Listen. First one, name some healthy food items. Fruits, wheat, egg, milk, vegetables and fish are some healthy food items. Next one, name some unhealthy food items. Burger, pastry, pizza and cola are some unhealthy food items. Which is the insect that spreads malaria? Mosquito is the insect that spreads malaria. Which is a vehicle with no wheels? Ship is a vehicle with no wheels. Name 3 means of water transport. Ship, boat and yacht are 3 means of water transport. What does a plant need to grow? A plant needs air, water and sunlight to grow. Name a leafy vegetable. Cabbage is a leafy vegetable. Next one. Roots of a plant used as vegetables. Carrot and beetroot are the roots of a plant used as vegetables. Look at the next page, page number 39. How many days are there in a week? There are 7 days in a week. Which is the first day of the week? The first day of the week is Sunday. How many months are there in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Which is the first month of the year? January is the first month of the year. Which is the last month of the year? December is the last month of the year. Which month has the least number of days? February has the least number of days. You should practice it. Okay, children? Please take your EVS notebook. Write the date here. Heading, living things. Things that grow are called living things. Next sentence. Living things need air, food and water. Next, they have young ones. For example, plant, tree, man, cow and cat. Turn to the next page and write non-living things. Things that do not grow are called non-living things. Next sentence. Non-living things do not need air, food and water. Next, they do not reproduce. For example, ball, car, table and chair. All of you do this worksheet. Study well. Thank you, children. Bye bye.